In this video we are going to talk about top 10 best paying careers. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 10. Chief Executives, $193,850. Outside of the medical and dental industries, chief executives are the highest paid professionals. The CEOs function as the firm's highest-ranking employees to make crucial choices about the management team, lead the company toward new markets or product sectors, and interact with the board of directors. Despite their great pay, many CEOs have demanding schedules. According to a 2018 Harvard Business Review survey, the average CEO works 62.5 hours per week, with around half of that time spent in the office and the other half spent traveling. Educate yourself. Unsurprisingly, the majority of Fortune 100 CEOs, 53%, have a bachelor's degree in business administration, according to a Forbes study. Many, on the other hand, had majored in unrelated disciplines as undergraduates, though some later received a Master of Business Administration, or MBA, degree. As students, many leaders in tech-related organizations studied engineering. Job prospects. Over the next decade, the number of persons working as top executives is predicted to increase by about 4%, which is about average for all jobs. Number 9. Physicians, $206,500. They would rank 8th if the median compensation of all physicians practicing in all other specialties was taken into account. This category includes allergists, cardiologists, dermatologists, oncologists, those who treat cancer, gastroenterologists, those who treat the digestive system, and ophthalmologists, among others, eye specialists. It also includes pathologists, who examine body tissue for anomalies, and radiologists, who evaluate medical images and treat cancer patients with radiation. After earning a bachelor's degree, any medical doctor, MD, or doctor of osteopathic medicine, DO, must attend medical school. Most clinical occupations also need completion of a resident program, while some may continue on to receive fellowship training. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, total physician employment is predicted to grow by 4% by 2029. Number 8. Family medicine physicians, formerly family and general practitioners, $213,270. Physicians who diagnose, treat, and help prevent diseases and injuries that regularly occur in the general population, according to the BLS. Patients are frequently referred to experts by these medical doctors for more advanced therapy. Patients often visit general practice physicians, also known as primary care physicians, for routine screenings and treatment of common health problems including sinus and respiratory infections, as well as chronic conditions like diabetes, asthma, and heart disease. Some primary care physicians specialize in working with adults, internists, or children, pediatricians. Family physicians are doctors who serve patients of all ages, from infants to the elderly. Family practice doctors typically address a broader spectrum of medical issues due to their diverse patient demographic. General practitioners must undergo a residency program after graduating from medical school. Before seeking for board certification, doctors must complete a certain number of months in each training field. Job prospects. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of general internal medicine physicians is predicted to decline by 1% during the next 10 years. Family medicine doctors, on the other hand, are expected to see a 6% increase in employment from 2019 to 2029, according to the BLS. Number 7. Psychiatrists, $220,430. While all psychiatrists assist in the treatment of mental illnesses, the field encompasses a wide spectrum of expertise. Some specialize in child and adolescent psychiatry, while others focus on forensic, legal, psychiatry, addiction psychiatry, or consultation psychiatry in a medical environment. Others specialize in psychoanalysis, which entails the psychiatrist assisting the patient in recalling and examining past experiences and emotions in order to better understand current feelings. Private practice, hospitals, community agencies, schools, rehabilitation programs, and even jails are all places where psychiatrists work. Psychiatrists are medical professionals, unlike psychologists, who also treat mental health disorders. They must complete medical school, followed by a residency program, after getting an undergraduate degree. According to the American Psychiatric Association, the first year of residency often include working in a hospital setting and handling a variety of medical illnesses, followed by 3 or more years of mental health training. Following that, Many graduates seek certification from the American Board of Psychiatry and Neurology. Number 6. Prosthodontists, $220,840. Prosthodontists use artificial devices such dental implants, dentures, bridges, crowns, and veneers to replace missing or damaged teeth. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, there are only about 600 prosthodontists in the United States. Physicians that excel in this field have a great interest in science, are capable of diagnosing complex dental disorders, and have the mechanical knowledge to appropriately treat patients. Many of them work with cancer patients, so they must be aware of the demands of surgical patients and how to handle those who are through radiation or chemotherapy. A college degree is required for a career in prosthodontics, followed by completion of a dental school program to become a doctor of dental surgery, DDS, or a doctor of dental medicine, DDM. Candidates then complete a residency program before applying to the American Board of Prosthodontics for certification. Number 5. Orthodontists, $230,830. Orthodontists specialize in tooth correction and are frequently referred out by patients' dentists. X-rays are frequently taken, braces are applied, mouth guards are made, and other procedures are performed as needed by these experts. Because orthodontists work directly with patients, they must have excellent communication skills as well as strong analytical and problem-solving ability. Some work for major orthodontic practices, while others own their own practice, which necessitates good management abilities. Future orthodontists must attend a dental school curriculum that includes both classroom and clinical practice after getting a bachelor's degree. Following that, these new doctors must finish a specific residency program and pass a licensing exam. Number 4. Obstetricians-Gynecologists, $233,610. Obstetricians-Gynecologists, or OB/GYNs, are doctors who specialize in vaginal, ovarian, uterine, and cervical reproductive health and childbirth. They earn significantly less than oral and maxillofacial surgeons. Successful OB/GYNs are skilled at conveying information to patients that benefits their health and that of their children. They're also great at dealing with high-stress situations, such as childbirth, which can happen at any time of day. Education. Becoming an OB/GYN requires graduation from medical school, as well as completion of a 4-year obstetrics residency program and a 4-year gynecology residency program. Following that, these doctors must pass a license exam before they may practice. Job prospects. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the number of OB/GYN occupations will decline by 1% by 2029. Number 3. Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons, $237,570. In and around the mouth and jaw, oral and maxillofacial surgeons treat a wide range of diseases, injuries, and deformities. Problematic wisdom teeth, misaligned jaws, tumors, and cysts of the jaw and mouth are among the most prevalent issues they'll deal with. In addition, they may do dental implant surgery. Oral and maxillofacial surgeons often need a bachelor's degree, a 4-year dental degree, and at least 4 years of residency. Following their training, surgeons frequently take a 2-part exam to get certified by the American Board of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery in the United States. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment is only predicted to grow by 2% from 2019 to 2029. Number 2. Surgeons, $252,040. Despite the fact that becoming a surgeon requires several years of specialized training, it is one of the highest paying professions. Depending on their specialty, surgeons may be required to work long, unpredictable hours. While surgeons who specialize in preventative and elective procedures may have a more predictable schedule, those who specialize in trauma or neurosurgery may work lengthy, even nocturnal shifts. Surgeons heal damaged bones and diseases like cancer with procedures. Before and after surgery, surgeons assist in the management of the patient's care. A surgeon may need to answer patient concerns over the phone even if they aren't scheduled to work, and on-call surgeons may make emergency excursions to the hospital. To become a surgeon, you must first complete medical school, then a multi-year residency program, and maybe a specialty fellowship. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment is expected to fall by 2% during the next decade. Number 1. Anesthesiologists, $261,730. Anesthesiologists are doctors who administer anesthetics and analgesics for pain management prior to, during, or after surgery, according to the BLS. This highly specialized career has topped the list of highest-paying professions for the 3rd year in a row. An anesthesiologist's work hours are dictated by the operating room's schedule, which can be lengthy and unpredictable. Because anesthesiologists are needed for both scheduled surgeries and emergency procedures such as trauma and childbirth, anesthesiologists are in high demand. Education: after 4 years of medical school, aspiring anesthesiologists in the United States typically complete a 4-year residency in anesthesiology, with some subspecialties requiring even more time. Job prospects: according to the BLS, employment is predicted to stay flat over the next decade. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.